Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, today we have a speaking territory to zoo animals. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tell me what's your name? My name is
My name is Bảo Anh.
Fine. How are you today? I'm
I'm
happy. How old are you? I'm 7 years old. Tell me where you're from. I'm from
here.
I'm from Vietnam. Where do you live?
Here.
I live in Hưng Yên. Okay. So what colors you like?
Red.
I like red. So what toys you like? I like. Do you like bike, kite, teddy bear, robot? You like teddy bears. So what animals you like? I like
Lion.
lions. So what shapes do you like? I like. You say I like. Now, point. I like triangle, circle, rectangle, diamond. So what shapes do you like? I like square. Square. Yeah, and what vegetables you like? I like. Do you like cabbage, tomato, potato? So what vegetables you like? I like. You say I like tomato. Yes. Look at screen. Part 1, zoo animal. Tell me, what is it?
I like elephant.
It is an
Elephant.
elephant. And what color is the elephant? Sorry, what color is the elephant? It is
Elephant.
gray.
Gray.
How many elephants are there? There are
Sarah. Elephant.
Good job. Next one. Tell me, what is it?
Monkey.
It is a monkey. What color is the monkey? It is brown. And how many monkeys are there? There are 9 monkeys.
Monkey.
And what is it?
Zebra.
Yeah, very good. Okay. So what color is a zebra?
Green.
It is black and white. And tell me, how many zebras are there? There are 15 zebras. And what is it? It is a giraffe.
Lion. Camel. Tiger.
What is it? Rhino.
Rhino. Kangaroo. Hippo. Gorilla.
How many gorillas are there?
Tiger.
There are
11 gorilla.
11 gorillas. Very good. Next one. What is it?
Panda.
And what color is the panda? It is black and white. How many pandas are there? There are
20.
12 pandas. And what is it?
Octopus.
Octopus.
Snake. Horse. Parrot.
Parrot. How many snakes are there?
Yeah.
There are
60.
13 snakes. How many parrots are there?
Yeah.
10 parrots. And look at screen and say the number. What number is it?
11.
11. 12.
13.
Good. 13.
14. 19. 14,
15,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good job. Next one. Part 3. Letter sound. Tell me what letter is it?
G.
G, yeah. G is for grass.
E.
Girl. H.
H. Hot dog.
Yes.
And
Yeah, very good. Next one. I.
A.
E.
Iguana.
Good job. Next one. What letter is it?
J.
Good job. Next one. Jigsaw.
Jewel.
Okay.
K.
K.
King. K.
Good. Next one.
L.
What letter is it? L. Letter.
L.
Leave. Okay. Thank you. Come back. Say goodbye.